Past the heaven, send a message to my credit. Tell number 5 to the end, boy, I love you. October 25th, yeah, left me with a struggle. The good and evil in my soul, it left me with a tussle. Pissing on my hands, nigga, when I leave the scene.
And bro, we back with another banger. I'ma need y'all to go and tap in. So look, as y'all can see right here, y'all see that they coming for TikTok now, right? So we gotta come to YouTube, bro. I'm gonna keep dropping these bangers back to back to back to back to back on YouTube so we can build it on here and we stay tapped in. If you a YouTube content creator, came from TikTok, tap in, lock in. Let's grow together, no cap. We gonna go ahead and make this the new wave. On God, that's what we gonna do. But yo, we finna go and get into R.I.P Tic Tok. They coming for TikTok. Why? Why TikTok? You see what I just did? Try to give me a little cheeky too, nigga. Oh God. But yeah, they coming for TikTok. We finna go ahead and see what this nigga Biden just said about TikTok, bro. I need y'all to tap in and look what this nigga Biden just said about TikTok. Bro, let's look at this.
Website TikTok is under a multi-state investigation. The social media platform is accused of using technology that experts say can harm the mental health of America's youth.
Harm the health of America's youth. These gas prices harming our health. This air harming our health. The toothpaste harming our health. The 440 hertz harming our health. Changing our DNA. Literally. Like, I'm just trying to understand. Well, we already know and understand why they come for TikTok. It's because they lose the power, because everything they do is a chess game. Every move they do, we see that shit. Somebody post it, everybody know now. Just like that, everybody know now. Gotta get my hair out my face. But yeah, you already know that they coming for our communication. That's how we locked in. Everybody tapped in on TikTok. That's why I'm coming to YouTube with it, so we can stay locked in on YouTube. The information will forever be shared. I ain't even gonna cap. It's forever gonna be shared. And I'm trying to make that transition from TikTok into YouTube. It's kind of hard, like sitting up here talking. Gotta kind of get used to talking to yourself. You feel me? But yeah, R.I.P TikTok, man. As y'all can see, they coming for TikTok, cause TikTok is like the dark web in a sense. Like, you seeing mermaids and shit. Niggas is doing concoction spells, and you know what I'm saying? They doing everything. They showing the truth. They can't have that truth come out. You feel what I'm saying? But even if they shut TikTok down, if they shut the Wi-Fi down, let me tell you how deep it is. Even if they shut the Wi-Fi down, do you not know this is the age of Aquarius? So everything that they try to do, it's not gonna work. Only thing you gotta do is keep manifesting a good reality. Keep manifesting that reality of love. Block all that other shit out. We gonna do what we gonna do. We gonna be in our own. We gonna be gods. Let me put it like that. We gonna be gods, and we gonna create our own reality that's not in that reality of what the fuck they trying to create. If y'all go watch that rabbit hole, I ain't gonna cap that video of the rabbit hole, boy. I was smoking. I was thinking deep, like, damn, nigga, they real life trying to skadoop our shit. Oh, some shit like, they real life not playing with us. You know what I'm saying? But like they said in Project Looking Glass, they can do everything that they try to do, but in the end, it's still gonna be the same results. Is we gonna shift it to a good reality, bro? Boy, they don't make y'all feel good, boy. No matter what they do, we gonna shift it to a good reality. And we ain't even gotta do shit. We just gonna let that shit play out. Nigga, just keep living our life, no cap. But we still watch what the fuck they got going on. But we ain't really giving our energy to that. You know what I'm saying? We just seeing, really, this how I interpret it. The more that they try to struggle, I see that's the more that they losing power. Think about it. Why do you think all of this shit is happening back to back to back to back to back to back? And we still don't give a fuck. Oh God, like, we still gonna be in a good reality. Don't none of that even matter. Like me, that's how I'm thinking about it. Like, I'm at the end of the day, whatever happens, I'ma still be in a good reality. But I'm not gonna not see what they doing. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'ma always take every threat like it's a threat, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, you tell me you gonna shoot me when I see you, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna play with that. So they talk about nuki shit. You gotta know if you chosen, bro. They talk about nuki shit. We are here to rebuild the earth. How can you rebuild the earth if you're dead? Come on now. That's why it's good to prep, have water. You know what I'm saying? That story, the Noah's Ark and shit. That's why it's good to have water. Know how to go hunting. If they do nuke this motherfucker, you got a plan on how you gonna survive this motherfucker, because we have to rebuild. When they done doing what they doing, they kill each other or whatever the fuck they got going on, we gonna be in the woods. We gonna know how to, you know what I'm talking about, do what we do, or find a bunker or something. Like, either way, we gonna make it, no cap, bro. And that's just that. Now let's see. I don't even think we seen what Biden had to say yet. What did Biden say?
Media platforms accountable for the national experiment they're conducting on our children for profit.
Why aren't we releasing the fucking names of the Maxwell trial?
We care deeply about building an experience that helps to protect and support the well-being of our community, and appreciate that the state attorneys general are focusing on the safety of younger youth.
These gas prices was a social experiment to see how we was gonna react. Why ain't y'all clapping, trying to get us some gas? Nigga, them gas prices is a fool. You know what I'm saying? Or at least don't kill the nigga who made the water power engine. That's crazy. We talking about we got that mean it was on purpose to cause panic. That was a download I just got. That was caused on purpose. They are not trying to let us do anything to help us satisfy that we could break out this system. Anything to help us to break out this system. I'm trying to get this download out. Anything that can help us break out of this system. They don't want us to get our hands on it because they lose power. If we not panicking about gas because I can go to the fucking lake and put some fuel in my car and that motherfucker go from here where I'm at 3 states. You know what I'm saying? You could just drive, nigga, on the side of the road, get a cup of water, put it in your engine, and then keep going. Like, what? Come on now. They couldn't have us happy like that. What? You know how high the vibrations would be, nigga, if we ain't gotta worry about gas? You know how high the vibrations would be, my nigga, if we ain't have to worry about no gas? They couldn't have you happy like that. Oh, no. That's why, as they continue to do what they do, we continue to meditate every day. Because if you don't meditate, that means you're not powered up. You know what I'm saying? And when you powered up, it's easier to deflect what they throwing at you, these low vibrations, no cap. Because I bow to my lower self every day, on God. But yeah, we gonna be on YouTube, bro. A lot more. I'm finna start dropping a lot more content, you feel me? And I guess that's the end of the video. I gotta get used to closing the videos out. You feel me? Wisdom out. I'll tap in with y'all later on today. I'm gonna drop it.
Easy, easy, easy.